Let me show you some of the amazing things we've added to HiveOne in the past few days. Inside of campaigns and the email marketing automations, you have the ability to see the analytics on A, B split testing. So when you do an A, B split test, you'll be able to see who was the winner, which one lost, and what the percentage was that determined the outcome. You can see the loser and the winner of the test here. If you split test, A, B test your content as well. So that is the information will be available inside of the campaign analytics. Now, the other cool thing that we've introduced is the sales tracking inside of the campaigns, as well as inside of automations, as you can see here. This is a campaign that is tracking sales. Let me show you how simple that is. When you build your campaign, you will now see in the summary section, you have the ability to track sales for this campaign. So here you can add your source campaign, your medium, and send the campaign. When you do that, you will be able to track the sales inside of your email by tracking the source. You can also see information about the product, the users, and the top sources for this campaign. So you can easily track all sales coming from your campaigns. And here is another exciting addition to the platform. This is the click tracking activity inside of the profile. So you can actually see who clicks on a specific link. You can see this inside of their profile in the Activity tab. You can also track inside of the automations, not just the campaigns. Also, it is not only for emails, but you can also do it for SMS and WhatsApp. So you can test out that as well. So you can do and track sales very easily for your campaigns. Still with automation, we also have something else that is coming to the platform, which is the ability to. We've also have new triggers for adding members to a group and removing members from a group. You can use that as an action as well. You can do it as an action here. So you can add and remove people from member groups, which was very requested. Under rules, you have the ability to have ORs. Before you only had the ability to add a certain amount of rules, and that's it, period. But now you have the OR option, so you can have as many as you want. So you can create more and more and more rules and will track. So many great things coming to the platform. The A/B testing, the new automations, automation tools, the triggers, the actions, and the sales trackings I think is really, really cool. It can help you really optimize your campaigns and see what is actually coming in as sales from your campaigns. Let us know in the comments below. What do you think of this new features coming into the CRM and what are you looking for in the future?